Miniature wooden tables and chairs are a popular and versatile addition to any dollhouse or miniature scene. Their natural beauty, durability, and customization options make them a timeless choice for collectors and hobbyists alike. Here are some key features of miniature wooden tables and chairs. Natural beauty. Wooden furniture offers a warm and inviting aesthetic that complements various styles and themes. Durability. Wood is a sturdy material that can withstand regular handling and display. Customization. Wooden furniture can be painted, stained, or distressed to create a wide range of looks. Versatility. Wooden furniture can be used in various settings, from dining rooms and living rooms to outdoor spaces and workshops. Popular styles of miniature wooden tables and chairs include Victorian, ornate and detailed designs with intricate carvings. Country, rustic and simple styles with natural finishes. Modern, sleek and minimalist designs with clean lines. Antique, aged and weathered looks that evoke a sense of history. When choosing miniature wooden tables and chairs, consider the following factors. Scale. Ensure that the furniture is the correct size for your dollhouse or miniature scene. Style. Select a style that complements the overall theme of your miniature world. Quality. Look for well-crafted furniture made from high-quality wood. Price. Wooden miniature furniture can vary in price depending on the size, style, and materials used.